Question from coordinate again. The midpoint of the sides, midpoint दिया है of sides BC, CA and AB of a triangle ABC are D, E and F. That means we have to draw a triangle first. Let's just draw a triangle first. जो कि ABC है. Let's just label it up. This is A, this is B and this is C. इस बार हमें ABC के कोऑर्डिनेट ना देके डी ई एफ जो कि मिड पॉइंट है बीसी सी ए और ए बी का. सो बीसी का मिड पॉइंट है डी. बीसी मिड पॉइंट इज डी विच इज 3,4. सी ए मिड पॉइंट इज ई विच इज 8,9. ए बी मिड पॉइंट इज एफ cause it is given respectively. So F जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स हैं 6,7. We have to find the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle. That means let's just imagine x1 y1 is for A, x2 comma y2 is for B, x3 comma y3 is for C. So we know that from the midpoint formula, if we are going to apply for AC, अगर मैं AC के लिए midpoint formula लगाती हूँ, then coordinates of E are nothing but the sum of x1 plus x3 divided by 2. So I can write down 8 is x1 plus x3 over 2, while you will write down the midpoint formula, complete midpoint formula, then you will apply in AC, then you can write it. I'm writing it directly. y1 plus y3 over 2. So from here, I got x1 plus x3 is 16, while y1 plus y3 is 18. So we got two equations, one in term of x and one in term of y. Now, in BC, applying midterm formula in BC. Midpoint formula. I can say midpoint of BC is D. So 3 is equals to x3 plus x2 over 2, comma 4 is equals to y3 plus y2 over 2. Or I can say x3 plus x2 is 6. And y3 plus y2 is 8. Now, applying midterm formula, not midterm, it's midpoint formula. In AB, the last line, which is F, 6 is equals to x1 plus x2 over 2, while 7 is equals to y1 plus y2 over 2. So I got x1 plus x2 equals to 12, y1 plus y2 equals to 14. And we have to find all the three, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. So from equation, let's just label it up. Let's just label this 1, 2, and 3. From equation 1 and 3, I'm adding equation 1. Either you can add or you can subtract, anything you can do. Plus 3. So x1 plus x1, x2 plus x3. So 2 of x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 16 plus 12. That means 28. So 2 of x1. From here, from equation 2, I can substitute x2 plus x3 is nothing but 6. Plus 6 equals to 28. So value of x1 is nothing but 28 minus 6 by 2, or x1 is 22 by 2, which is 11. So for the value of V point, x coordinate for point A, this is 11. And in the same way, from equation 1, x1 is nothing but 11 plus x3 equals to 16. This implies x3 you got 5. And x1 and x3 you are having. Now you can find x2 from here. So 12 minus 5, x2 will be 7. Sorry, x1 plus x2. x1 is 11. 11 minus 12, it would be 1. You can, just by substituting value, you can find the value from here. Now let's just find, I'm erasing equations. Okay, let's just draw another separate box instead of drawing something. I'm going to solve for y here. So from equation, I can label it as 4, 5 and 6. I'm adding 4 and 6. So y1 plus y1, 2y1, y3 plus y2. I can write down y2 plus y3 is equals to 18 plus 14. That means 28, 32. And y2 plus y3 from equation 2 I can from equation 5 I can substitute as 8. So 2y1 plus 8 equals to 32. So 2y1 is 32 minus 8, or y1 is equals to, when we will subtract it, it would be 24 by 2, or it would be 12. So for A, coordinates we got 11, 12. Yes, and substituting value of y1 from here, it would be 18 minus 12, and I'll got 6. So y2 is 6, and x2 we got 1. So coordinate of B is 1, 6. Okay, we got y1 and y3. From here we got y3, it would be 6, not y2. From here we can get y2. y1 is 12, y1 plus y2 is 14. So 14 minus 12, it would be 2 only. So coordinate of A is 11, 12. Coordinate of B is 1, 2. And coordinate of C is 5, x3 is 5. y3 would be 18 minus y1. y1 was 12. So 6. So we got the answer here.